Hey creators, want to make your MyMantis.AI Chatbot stand out with a killer design? Let's dive into how to customize its user interface to match your vibe and wow your audience. Start by heading to the settings page on MyMantis.ai. Look for the chatbot name section. Here, you can edit the system name, which is the internal label for your chatbot. Give it something memorable to keep things organized behind the scenes. Next, click over to the Chatbot tab. This is where the magic happens. First, edit the public chatbot name. This is what your audience sees. Upload a profile picture to give it personality, maybe a cool avatar or your channel's logo. Then, craft a custom message to spark engagement. For example, say, "Ask me about my latest YouTube tips," to steer users toward a hot topic. Don't stop there. Add an internal message for your team's reference and a placeholder message to guide users. Like, type your question here. Play around with these options to get a feel for what works best for you. Ready to level up? Switch to advanced mode by toggling the switch at the top. This unlocks a ton of awesome customization options. Let's break it down. Experiment with our 4 unique styles and a range of color options to make your chatbot pop. Whether you want sleek and modern or bold and vibrant, we've got you covered. Header information. Tweak the header and chatbot name display to align with your brand's look and feel. Question area. Customize the Type Your Question section to make it inviting and user-friendly. How-to section. This is next level. Add your best YouTube videos to create interactive AI responses tailored to your content. It's a game changer for keeping your audience hooked. That's it. Your chatbot is now a custom masterpiece, ready to engage 24/7. Want to try it for yourself? Click the link in our bio to create your own AI chatbot on MyMantis.ai, completely free, no credit card needed. Get started now and make your chatbot as unique as you are.